Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a MLA format for essay in any of my classes. I'm using Mac and this is Office 2016. Here I instantly down to have a template where it states MLA style paper. If you go to Word and you search templates for MLA style paper, you'll get this. Or if you go to Google Docs and you look for MLA style paper, you'll get something similar. So here I create a document, right? And the first thing you see is that it has all the instructions on how to do this MLA style. First thing that we're going to do, since it's an essay, we're not going to use most of this stuff. I'm just going to erase here all the way down, all the way to works cited. I'm going to keep works cited because I'll probably use that later on. See, I just erased it, and in the second page I have my works cited. So the first thing that you're going to have is that you're going to have a header, right? And if you click on the top part, you're going to see where it says last name. Here, you're going to put your last name. I'm going to put mine, Marcy. And that's all I have to do for the header. Next thing you have is your name. And you put your full name. Next thing you have is a instructor's name, which is my name, Professor. I usually just say I'm RC. Course number. If you're in school, you're going to write English 11, 1, or whatever English course you are. If you're at the university, you're going to put your number, your course number, 201, 213, 115. And finally, you're going to put the date. I'm going to write today's date, May 28, 2019. Here you see that you have your title, 2 periods, which is a colon, and a subtitle. Here, let's say we're doing an expository essay. So I write expository essay, and I'm going to talk about pollution. So I write pollution. And there you go. Automatically, I'm going to have the 12 times New Roman double space format. I'm going to write a sample sentence. As you see, you already have your double space. So essentially, what does the MLA format state? It's margins of 1 inches up and down and on the sides. You have everything double space. Everything is going to be 12 in Times New Roman. I preferably use Times New Roman because that's the standard sheet. You could do any sans serif, anything that's easy to see, preferably Times New Roman Arial, but keep it Times New Roman for my class. And the works cited. In another video, I'll show you how to do this and how to just look for it in a website, so all you have to do is copy and paste. Thank you.